Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Zapier email or email by Zapier. Now this is a pretty much one of the features in Zapier that you can use for your emails. Now this is basically the email by Zapier, right? It's an integration that you can use, right? You can connect email by Zapier to 5,000 apps, right? So you can essentially create your own inbox. As you can see, this is what email by Zapier is. You can create custom email inbox for anything you want, so you can keep your inbox clean and you don't have to check another email account. For example, with your new custom inbox, you can sign up for newsletters and use a Zap to send the emails to the app that you want. For example, right? This is just an example. Again, send new inbound emails via Slack channel messages, right? So you can do that, right? So you can see, let's say you have multiple coworkers monitoring a shared inbox, right? Because there is constant miscommunication about who will respond for this situation, we can automatically forward those emails to a custom inbox, which will then notify your team in Slack, right? Which is great, right? So this is how you can use it right here. Now, if you want to do that, you'll have to go to Zapier/app/email/integrations. And as you can see here, you can connect a lot of different apps to, email by Zapier. As you can see, you have Slack, SurveyMonkey, Gmail, Google Drive, ClickFunnels, Google Sheets, stuff like that, right? That you can connect to your email by Zapier. And as you can see, here are some pre-made templates already for for email by Zapier. You can see that some of these are premium, right? So you will need to have premium apps, right? And you will need to maybe pay for Zapier, and some of these are free, right? So for example, if I go here, connect email by Zapier to 5,000 apps, I can basically go here and I can start by triggering, right? I can start by creating a Zap for email by Zap, right? So for example, email by Zapier here, as you can see, this is email, choose an event, new inbound email, right? Click continue, and then you can set up a trigger to go to an email address, right? For example, it can be, for example, this email address, right? Click continue, and then as you can see, we're listening, test the trigger. We can test the trigger right here, and we can also add another Zapier or another action, right? Which is going to be, for example, Google Drive, right? So we can choose an event. When a file is copied, right? You can send it a new inbound email in email by Zapier, right? So as you can see, I need to connect my Google Drive. This is just for an example here. So we're going to allow, and then as you can see, choose the account and click continue. And then we can set up the action, right? So, okay, it's my Google Drive folder. It's going to be, for example, thumbnail photos, file. We can add a file, right? Convert it to document. We can make it true, file name, and all that good stuff, right? And when we click continue, we'll be basically adding, whenever someone uploads file in Google Drive in thumbnail photos, we'll get a new inbound email in email by Zapier, right? So that's basically how to use Zapier email and how you can use it for your own, business or for your personal stuff even as well. So if you have any questions or maybe comments, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.